Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 2021 Ford Mustang Mach E, and as you can see, it's a NYC taxi. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Mustang Mach E out of its box. Obviously this casting is by Matchbox, and you will see some differences from a regular Mustang Mach E. As you can see, these wheels, which kind of shows that it comes with steel wheels rather than alloy ones, and this yellow paint job again, which is common for New York taxis. Apart from that, on the side you can read NYCT, so it's a taxi, it's a Mach E badge, and there are some other words written here too, like MBI 303. I'm assuming that's the registration number, and Playmate, I think it's that. I'm not sure. Let me bring it close to you. So other taxi stuff. It has got the black cladding that goes all the way from front to back. You got the charger on this side, on the driver's side. Now let's move to the front. Good details on the front. You've got detailed headlamp. You got the Mustang badge. You got the lower grills also detailed. Obviously there's no opening because it's an electric car. Windshield wipers. This entire piece is done in like plastic or glass, you can say. The top is tinted just to show that it's like not a clear glass. I'm not sure. I haven't seen like the Mach E from the top. I'm not sure if it gets a glass roof like some of the Teslas do. I'm not sure about this one. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. No major differences apart from the charger point. I do like how it has got all the mirrors. That's a good, like Matchbox does a good job with that. Now coming to the back, you can see the tail lamps, but then again they are not detailed. So, and I think it's gonna be hard because the way the tail lamps are on a Mach E. I wish they did it, would have looked much better. But you do get a small spoiler here and the shark fin antenna. The interior is done in black. Nothing special to talk about it. But if you look closely, you can see the infotainment screen there and the other screen for the speed and stuff. And this is how it looks from the bottom. Obviously it's a electric car, so no exhaust or anything. But overall, I think it's a decent looking casting. It's not bad. It's not something great to talk about, but for a mainline, it's all right, and kind of makes a good addition to the collection. I think I have got another Mustang Mach E by Matchbox, and then one by Hot Wheels, so we'll look good with them. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.